To all, 6th standard biology. Today's topic human skeleton brief study. Okay, general studies yesterday. Okay, tomorrow today using only a deep study for a skeleton parts. Okay, then today we goes to a X-ray machine. We can get photographs of bones by a machine called X-ray machine. Yes, the X-ray images shows the shape and the number of bones in the various parts of our bodies. Doctors use these photographs to examine the injuries and the disease of bones. Okay, the bones in our body vary in their sizes and shapes. Different types of bones have different functions. There are two main division: the axial skeletal system, then appendicular skeletal system. Okay, the whole is called skeletal system. The axial, it include the skull, vertebral column and chest bones and rib cage are called axial skeletal system. Okay, the appendicular skeletal system is included gib girdle and shoulder and limb also. Okay, these are appendicular skeletal system. Okay, today first we see a lymph bones of hand. Okay, the bones of hands. Bones of arms or hands all are same one. They give strength to our body. Bones of fingers and toes are short. They help us in holding things. The hands and the legs are constructed the same pattern. Okay, the parts of a hand: upper arm, forearm, wrist and palm. There are four parts. Okay, upper arm, forearm, wrist and palm. Then the upper arm only one long bone. Okay, the forearm two long bones. Okay, then wrist several small bones are seen. Then palm 5 bones. Okay, then palm you have 5 bones. You see the picture. Okay, you see the picture. Okay, the 5 bones are you seen it. Okay, each has 3 small bones. Each has 3 small bones. Then fingers. Finger each has 3 small bones except thumb, which has 2 small leaves. So the part of hand is 4-1. The part of hand: upper arm, forearm, wrist, palm and also fingers. You see the picture, the fingers is shown. Each has 3 small bones except thumb, which has 2 small leaves. The thumb has 2 small leaves, others are 3 leaves. Okay, then we goes to the next to rib cage. Okay, the next one, what? Rib cage. Okay, the rib cage is 12 pairs of bones. The rib cage 12 pairs of bones. You see the picture. Okay, the rib cage is situated the chest region. The rib cage is situated chest region. It is important work. The internal body parts, the lungs and heart is protected. Okay, the lungs and heart is inside this cage. Okay, then another one work, chest bones it used for breathing. Okay, The chest rib cage have a 12 ribs. It have a 12 pairs of ribs. Okay. The 12 pairs of ribs along with a backbone make a cone shaped cage called rib cage, which is protect the lungs and heart also. It protect the lungs and heart also. The rib cages consist of 12 pairs of ribs. The front one, the first 7 pairs are attached to the sternum. Okay, the last two are floating ribs. Okay, the last two thoracic vertebrae. It protect heart and lungs. The last two bones are floating ribs. It cannot attach the sternum. Okay, so the rib cage is a cage shaped. Some important internal parts of our body lie protected inside this cage. Okay, then we goes to the backbones. The backbones have how many one 33 bones. It is a 33 vertebrae. The backbones consist 33 vertebrae. Okay, then backbones is important ones. The backbones are very important ones. It is here starting. It starts from the neck, and you identify this easily. You move your fingers downwards on the back of your friend. What do you feel? It is here some bones are you seen. It is made up of many small bones. The backbones are made up of many small bones. It is called vertebrae. It is called vertebrae. Okay, the 33 bones, that is called vertebrae. Okay, our backbone is made up of many small bones called vertebrae. They help us to bend. Okay, a small activity for a rib cage. Are you identify the rib cage? Yes. Okay, you take a deep breath and hold it for a while. It can deep breathe and hold it for a while. Try to feel your chest bones and backbones by pressing in the middle of the chest and the back at the same time. Compare with a image for the structure of a rib cage. Rib cage are a long curved bones, yes, that join the chest bones and the backbone together to form the rib cage. Okay, then we goes to a backbones. It have a 33 vertebrae. The small bones are called vertebrae. Okay, the backbones are used to bend it. Okay, the backbones are used to bend it. Then the backbones are a prominent where the shoulder, they are called shoulder bone, and the upper part shoulder bone. You already studied the shoulder bone for what? The example of ball and socket joint. The shoulder bone is a ball and is best example for ball and socket joint. The shoulder bones is formed by the collarbone and the shoulder blade. The shoulder bones are flat and large. They help in forming joints with long bones. It joins with a long bones. Then we studied a hip bone. The hip bone is formed by the fusion of 3 bones. Okay, listen. It forms the fusion of 3 bones like shoulder bones. The hip bones are also flat and large. Okay, They help in forming joints with the long bones together with the last two parts of backbones. It forms a large bony bowl called pelvis. It called a large bony bowl called pelvis. Okay, this is hip bones. Then we goes to skull. Okay, the skull has two main parts. Okay, the skull has two main parts: cranium, facial bones, and also a eye socket. Okay, the bones of cranium are flat and they are held firmly like a zipper. It covers a protect the brains. Okay, then facial bones. The facial bones comprises the upper jaw, lower jaw, and a few other bones. The lower jaw is a movable one. The movement of lower jaw enable us to eat, talk, and sing. Okay, the upper jaw is a immovable one. Okay, then eye socket. The skull also includes a pair of eye socket. This forms a safe packet of eyes. It's form a same packet of eyes. Okay, the skull is a three parts: cranium, facial bones, and eye socket. Okay, then the human skeletal is a 5-1 you studied: bones of hand, rib cage, backbone, shoulder bone, and pelvic, and also skull. Okay, the rib cage protect our lungs and heart. The backbone, lungs and heart, and also it used for breathing. Okay, next the backbones. The backbone is used for bending the bodies, bend the bodies. Okay, and also protect the inner parts. Okay, the backbone consists, the rib cage consists of 12 pairs of bones. The backbone consists of 33 vertebrae. The vertebrae, what is vertebrae? Vertebrae means a small bones. Okay, the vertebrae means a small bones. Okay, then the rib cage is situated chest region. The backbone is situated neck. It is starting from neck and last gibb side. Okay, the back side of the body. Okay, that is a rib cage. Backbone consists of 3 vertebrae. Vertebrae means a small tiny bones. Okay, it is a 33. It consists of 33 vertebrae. Then shoulder bones and also pelvic bones, skull. Okay, these are a skeletal system. In our skeletal system, any damage or any broken, you identify a X-ray images. We use a X-ray images. Okay, so students all read the page number 66 to page 71. Okay, you read the page number 66 to 71. Okay, thank you.